Leslie, R. Limited. Sheill, 1914. Topic: Minor and misrepresentation. Leslie, R. Limited. Sheill, 1914, is an important case under the Indian Contract Act, 1872, which deals with the effect of misrepresentation of age by a minor. The case clarifies that even if a minor fraudulently represents himself as a major and obtains money, the contract remains void, and the minor cannot be made liable for repayment. This case is frequently cited while discussing capacity to contract and the protection given to minors under contract law. Facts of case. In this case, Sheill, a minor, fraudulently misrepresented his age and induced Leslie, R. Limited, to lend him a sum of money. The company believed that Sheill was a major and advanced the loan. When the company later discovered that Sheill was a minor at the time of the contract, it filed a suit to recover the money. The company argued that since the minor had obtained the loan by fraud, he should be compelled to repay the amount. The minor pleaded that he was not competent to contract, and therefore, the agreement was void. Issues before the court. Leslie, R. Limited. Sheill, 1914. The main issues before the court were: whether money lent to a minor can be recovered when the minor has fraudulently misrepresented his age, whether the doctrine of estoppel or restitution can be applied against a minor to make him liable for repayment of the loan. The court had to decide whether a minor's fraud could make an otherwise void. The court held that money cannot be recovered from a minor. Principle laid down. Leslie, R. Limited. Sheill, 1914. The court laid down the following important principles. A contract with a minor is void, even if the minor has fraudulently misrepresented his age. Doctrine of estoppel does not apply against a minor. Money lent to a minor cannot be recovered, as it would indirectly enforce a void contract. The law gives special protection to minors, even if hardship is caused to the other party. This case strongly reinforces the rule that minors' incapacity cannot be defeated by fraud. Conclusion. The case strengthens the rule that minors' contracts are void, even in cases of misrepresentation. In conclusion, the decision in Leslie, R. Limited. Sheill firmly establishes that a minor is fully protected under contract law, even when he has misrepresented his age. The court made it clear that a contract with a minor is void, and no action for recovery of money can be maintained against him, as this would amount to indirectly enforcing a void contract. This case is an important authority on capacity to contract.